It's banana notes.
Yeah.
So fatty.
Whoa.
Weisswurst.
So
Hey, I really enjoy already. How?
Hello, welcome to MEATMEN EATS Oktoberfest edition. Today we are gonna try an Oktoberfest spread.
wow. Is that why you're dressed in this so nice?
Of course, twinsies.
Like a mountain that can't.
But anyways, okay, I've been to Germany before.
Oktoberfest?
No, but I left like a week before.
Oh, lame sia this guy.
But I tried all the food
you
that
guys-
we might be
Ah,
trying
okay,
today.
okay.
So anyway, today we'll be giving you all your first taste of Oktoberfest. So the first dish is
Oh, the food is here!
Ooh, interesting. Why your cup like that only? You did not drink, right?
Never.
Wow, interesting.
There's banana notes.
It's really banana notes.
Yeah, there's
Oh my
very
God.
strong banana notes. Oh my god,
It's
so
sweet
interesting.
and
The wheat now is wheat
Yeah,
beer,
yeah,
so
yeah.
You taste the wheat and probably like sweetness from the banana.
There's look
Yeah.
A bit of clove.
Yeah,
a bit of
cloves,
clove.
yeah.
A bit. Wait. I think I need to taste a bit more.
Taste a bit more.
so during Oktoberfest, they actually have a competition where they see who can hold a 1 liter stein of beer for the longest time. This is not 1 liter lah, but do you want to try?
It's like the army, the half.
Half full, half full like that.
wow, left
SCF
hand
it core value.
Okay, left hand.
Like that. So we just hold. Who can hold longest?
Okay, can.
Okay, let's go.
Not fair, John's cup is like half full.
Yeah lor, you drink so much, you hold so little.
And then you'll drink more.
Okay.
Then you still drink.
Then
Nice, yeah.
Then we just drink.
Really
some.
very nice, eh?
Not bad.
5 minutes later.
Producer, how long
Okay,
more?
stop.
Stop lah.
Don't do that.
Actually, quite tiring.
Yeah. Actually,
a bit tiring.
a bit tiring. It smells damn nice.
Like beer on beer. We need to do always the ASMR things. I was the Silba boy, if you guys remember.
Flashback.
Let's go.
How do you say eat in German?
I did not research how to say eat, but I researched how to say pork knuckle in German.
Okay, how?
Schweinshaxe.
Are you sure?
The editor can double check that if I say it wrongly. Schweinshaxe.
Schweinshaxe.
Wow,
Wow,
How
it
to
looks
poke, sia?
so fatty.
Wow, I can't cut.
I don't know where to begin.
Minutes later.
I cannot
Oh,
cut.
look at the fats. Ooh.
Forget to put sauce.
Oh, is them
Oh,
tough?
yeah.
More moments later.
Is this them tough for you?
I cut the fats.
One semester later.
So crispy. Oh my god.
I want to eat the crispy skin.
I haven't tried, guys. I haven't tried.
You cut the other way lah. You need to saw it. Yeah.
It's so hard.
The skin
Why?
is like
You
it's
see,
like
it's-
Silba.
Yeah.
I cannot
Why you
cut.
not cut?
What's up, bro?
It cannot cut. Okay.
It's so crispy that it's so difficult to cut, you know. You need to like the thing. It's so
Very
fatty.
flavorful.
Actually, what's this sauce?
I have no idea. Producer, what sauce? What's inside the sauce?
So it's actually made out of dark German beer.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So it's beer on beer.
On beer.
Nice.
Oh my god.
So they most probably cook the pork knuckle in beer. Then after that, roast it even more until the skin is crispy. Then the remaining juices they use to make the sauce. That's why the sauce is quite
Oh,
very
you made before, right?
Yeah, we made it. The link for the recipe is in the shit. The link.
So
I really drunk already. How? The link for the recipe of our pork knuckles is there. Like top left. My left, your right. Yes.
Yeah.
The beer like quite strong, eh?
Yeah.
I need to do my ASMR point.
There lah.
we also can.
Yeah lor, I also can.
You know, do
Also
lah.
can.
Let me show you.
But mine is literally fat. Fat. Then some skin.
Okay. So other things on our plate is potatoes.
I give up. There's no point. I can't do this. I can't.
It looks quite chunky.
Smash.
Oh,
Oh.
potato salad.
So fatty.
Then
Oh.
it's like slightly sour, right? Slightly sourish, right?
It's a very like a Thai way.
Yeah.
It
Appetizer.
cuts the fats. Lah.
Yeah.
Same as the sauerkraut.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, the fats.
So good.
Oh, the sauerkraut really like.
Hits.
If you eat until the pork until very jelat, right? Like sioba, you normally eat until damn jelat. Then you eat the sauerkraut, right? Wow, your palate like refreshed and you can eat another.
No, but this potato salad, I think this potato salad is better than the sauerkraut.
Okay, interesting.
Okay.
Cut
The
the
skin.
meat on one side,
Okay, cut.
then pull out.
By the way,
Oh, is it supposed to be like that? Push out the meat.
Okay, I got it.
You got it.
Very herby. That's my nose.
by the way, this is called Weisswurst. Weisswurst.
Weisswurst.
Oh, I think I got a good chunk.
Hey,
Look.
the real
You
nice-
see?
Oh.
It's sweet.
Oh, it's actually
What?
very yummy.
Wow, this is good.
It's so pleasant. It's not like a.
Take out properly. You see?
Oh, it's very yummy. Oh my gosh.
I got the whole
The
thing.
See. Do they eat this with mustard?
Yeah, with the pretzel.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Don't mind if I do.
What are the herbs inside?
So there's actually a bit of cardamom and some fresh parsley as well. Yeah, and they also add onion, pepper, salt, lemon,
Oh, delicious.
ginger.
Wait, they eat pretzels with sausage.
I love pretzel.
Let's try. Yeah, actually the
Salty.
yeah
I love it. It's not your Auntie Annie's. Auntie Anne's?
and
Auntie Anne's pretzels. It's more like bready, you know?
Frost. Cheers.
It's just
Together lah. Frost.
Whoa, look at that!
Scotland.
wow.
Inside no flavor. We've come to the end of this video.
Do comment down below and let us know if you tried all these items.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye bye. Hey, don't drink my beer. Oi.
Bye.
Oh, you go. You don't want to eat anything?